From now on, I will introduce the development process of our electric vehicle, Model I, and present web design to promote it. These are the average range and price of the longest range EVs, and we can see that it is expensive compared to performance. So, we designed Model I that has high range and low price. Prior to Model I design, we tried to improve fuel efficiency by selecting the optimal regenerative braking ratio. As a result of simulation, it was found that the higher regenerative percent, the lower DC current discharging. In conclusion, we set 65% in consideration of both ride quality and energy efficiency. The following are the components of the Model I we designed. The components we considered for the design are frame, tire, battery, motor, and inverter. We selected Sonata that has not been developed as an EV, and these factors should be reflected for the simulation. For tires, since the driving performance is determined by the inertia moment and the CRR value, we select this tire with low values and low price. Because the LFP battery is cheap, we selected BYD LFP blade cell. This battery has a blade structure, so it has the advantage of high energy density. To meet the motor rated voltage of 360, 112 cells are connected in series. Also, high capacity is achieved by connecting in parallel. We used Nissan Leaf motor, which has good efficiency and medium speed, and converted the efficiency map to MATLAB code. Since Model I does not use a high voltage system, inexpensive IGBTs are used as inverter elements. Here are the codes of all components. Specification and papers were referenced for realistic modeling. As a result of simulation, Model I's range was measured to be 568 km, and the net price was set as follows according to the price of all components. Compared to top 10, market competitiveness is expected to be sufficient.
Yes, then let's start introducing the web part. We create a website to introduce the produced Model I to the general consumer in a more effective way. Let's give a brief introduction to the website and take a look at the actual website together. First, the website was created using the editor VS Code. After creating content in HTML, designing style in CSS, and implementing function with JS file. Initially, it was designed and manufactured to use MariaDB as a login server using Post API and Get API designed with Spring Boot, but it was replaced with a local server because of frequent errors due to compatibility problems. The HTML page has a total of 10 pages. Each page has a common large frame. First, for the head, a CSS and a common style sheet are linked for each chapter. And the body consists of 3 chapters in total. First, header. Second, main in each section. Third, footer. Each page has their own CSS, and all pages have main CSS. It designed top div and the common framework that I mentioned in HTML, header, main, and its section, footer. JS is similar with CSS. Each page has their own JS, and all pages have main JS and top JS. Especially, I use local server in membership mode, so all member pages have login JS. Now, I'm going to explain this one by actually looking at the website. Let's go. This is our website. First, the main page looks like this. All of the quick links are located at the top. There's banners, team members, brief introduction of electric cars, popular models, and some news and channel. When you click each menu, you can go that page, like this. You can go Tesla Model 3 page. Let's go top again. We have 3 main menus. First one, you can use this function, and you can see this graph and this content. Then, second one, Model I. On this page, you can see picture, what's in the Model I, like battery or motor, and the other contents. In third page, you can choose the mode. Let's log in together. In this login page, you have to write on your own information like ID, password, your name, age, other car information, but we don't have time, so let's get in with my ID. In my page, you can see your information like this one. And then, if you log in, you can go third page again. In first section, you can compare Model I with commercial cars, like this. In member section, you can compare Model I with your car information, like this. In my page, you can log out too, like this. Everyone, please come to our site for such useful information or compare with your own car. Thank you for listening. It was Model I. Thank you.